transforming employee benefits analytics through unified business intelligence. A global leader in employee benefits, the company has empowered 17,000+ clients, including Fortune 500s, with discounts, rewards, and recognition programs for over 2 decades. Yet behind this success, hidden analytics challenges were slowing decision-making, client value, and operational agility. Here were the challenges. Complex data flows from multiple sources slowed reporting and reduced reliability. Static dashboards limited visibility and delayed business decisions. Heavy dependence on analytics teams restricted agility and timely value delivery. Kanerika stepped in to optimize and modernize analytics with unified business intelligence. We optimized ETL pipelines with SSIS and Azure Data Factory to streamline data flows, and built a unified navigation dashboard in Power BI, replacing static reports with interactive insights. We also introduced client-specific KPIs and self-service dashboards, reducing IT dependencies significantly. The impact? 3x increase in ROI reporting accuracy, 75% higher visibility into employee engagement, 62% reduction in time to insight. By modernizing analytics and enabling self-service, we help the client move from static reporting to real-time, value-driven insights, empowering continuous innovation and scalable growth. Want to see how you can unlock faster, smarter, and more reliable analytics with Kanerika? Let's talk.